tell me that you understand it. Don't tell me that I'm too demanding. I need you to show me you're taking this too slowly. Don't tell me that you're what I need, no. I believe that when I see so. Time for you to show me. Hush your lips, stop your
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sunshine, and today I am pretty much decorating my truck. It is so hard for me to show you guys this because I don't have anything yet to prop my phone up on. I have so many gadgets, but I feel like Jason stole them all. So I'm doing the mattress in the box today, and I'm decorating my truck in terms of cleaning my closets out. And my mattress came today, so this is how it's looking. I was unwrapping it, and I said, why not just show these people how it looks like this? So the mattress is pretty much like a pancake, and I'm getting ready to cut it open with some scissors. I love how it's blue. It looks kind of girly, but I'm going to be showing you guys the theme that I came up with. It sounds like air is being released. I hope it, I don't know whether to say inflate or deflates, but I hope it inflates really fast because I want to put my sheets and stuff on there, and I took my bunk net off today. So that's what I'm working on. Give me a few moments. I'm going to cut this with some scissors and show you guys how it looks on the bed. Okay, so I completely forgot to tell you guys, I got this from Amazon. The brand is Linen Spa. And this is how it's looking. I got tools, still got my tools in the truck. I'm getting ready to transfer it out. But this is how the bed looks. As soon as I cut a little bit into the plastic, it instantly blew up. Like when you're unwrapping those biscuits, it popped open like that and started rising. This bed, let me see. It feels, honestly, this is a twin size bed. And there's like plenty of room still on each side. I don't know if I could have got away with a full, I don't think so, but there's room on both sides, which I kind of like that because I heavily clothe my bed with linen, and y'all getting ready to see just the first beginning of how I layer my bed. But it came, this is the 8-inch memory foam. It has a little bit of it's like 6 inches mattress and then a 2-inch topper. And I like my bed to be even more soft. I'm trying to feel it and see, is it really soft? But you know when you're in a freight shaker and the truck is like bouncing on the road, you gotta kind of like bounce up and down on it and like really bounce, like where your butt almost, you ever bounced on a bed and your butt bone almost, well, some of y'all got cushion, but your butt almost, you could feel the bottom of the mattress, like the base of the bed. That is not good. So I'm trying to see like if this truck was like bouncing or bouncing down the road, would it be uncomfortable? And honestly, you guys, it's not bad. But hey, what I'm gonna do, I like my bed to be super thick, so I'm gonna go to Walmart later on. It's still comfortable. It feels way better than that freaking bed that you get out the truck stop that looks kind of like this, but it looks a little bit rougher. It feels way better. But I'm gonna go to Walmart and get like a 2 more inches of memory foam and put on top of this and wrap the bed with it so that it can feel like when I get in the bed, it'll just be like a pillow, like a big old pillow. But I'm loving the way that it's feeling right now. I only paid $108 for this bed, and it was free shipping. They shipped it straight to my house. So I'm getting ready to decorate it and hope you guys like this. As you guys can see, I still got lots of room on each end of my bed, which is even better because I'm still trying to figure out where I'm going to put my TV, and I'm pretty sure I can build that up. So I'm going to be pushing the mattress closer to that way because that's pretty much the end that I like to lay on when I'm in a truck. So keep on watching. All right, y'all. So I got my vinyl seat cover. I got this in a 2-pack from Walmart. I just threw it over the well, this is gonna be my passenger seat, but I'm gonna be using it to get around, so I just wanted to cover that red up. And I also installed that little pump chrome piece today. I'm getting ready to change out my switches over there for my window, and this is how we looking now. I know y'all, I told y'all last video, tongue twist, Jason's out there reading something. He's spraying the front of the truck with something. But anyways, I told y'all the last video my theme was gonna be red, silver, as far as my decor. When I got to Walmart, things changed. I feel like Big Daddy was talking to me, and he said that he had jungle fever. So I'm about to show y'all what me and Big Daddy came up with. So if y'all don't know, Big Daddy is the name of my truck. He has a whole personality, a whole vibe going on. So I switched out the gray curtains and put black. These are black blackout curtains, and this is what we came up with, y'all. Don't mind the top, but I want y'all to see this jungle fever that Big Daddy got going on, y'all. Look at it. Look at the red rug, y'all. This ain't the red rug I want. I ordered me one. It's way more dramatic than this. This is just a bathroom rug I threw in here just to show y'all my vision. And so we got red and black. Don't look in my closets. I gotta clean them out today, y'all. I'm working on it. And I got my tools up there over there because I just finished a different video. But look at that red and black, y'all. Look at that counter. And then you're gonna go to the curtains with the diamonds, the fake diamond rhinestones, and then you got that roar in there, y'all. This, to me, this was Big Daddy's idea, y'all. So he said he want that jungle fever. So I think this cheetah goes well with the red and black, y'all. All of this stuff is from Walmart, y'all. I got the mattress from Amazon. I got the bedspread, sheets, everything. Throw blanket. That was just $5, y'all. But Big Daddy got jungle fever. Whenever he want to change it up, I probably will change it up between red and silver, because I don't like to have the same. I'm going to switch it up between red and silver. So, but the curtains, I figure they should stay black. I like these black curtains. So I'm getting ready to empty my closets out right now and get all these spray cans out of here and put the curtains. I got some curtain covers that go over there. They black, and I think this truck it's ready, y'all. I'm about to figure out how to lift this up, and because I don't want this down. I feel like it is just doing too much. Look at my floor, the back part, y'all. I am chilling. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, I'm working on that today, y'all. I'm trying to get that boot, get them screws. Like, let me stop being messy and put my shoes to the side, y'all. I'm gonna put my shoes over here. Put my shoes over here. Look at it. Oh, don't mind my window. My regulator coming in too. It's coming on the 12th, so I gotta like tape this off real quick. I said I was gonna put my bed in there until I get my window up, but the thing is coming, y'all. It's coming on Wednesday. So now, just looking, I'm excited, y'all. This freaking truck is so freaking sexy. Like, Jason better hurry up and get my radio before I have a fit. I need some music. We need some jungle music, y'all, to add to this vibe, y'all. Look at it. It is a whole vibe going on in this truck. But I got to get a radio. And now, y'all know what time it is. I got to put that other piece over there. I know y'all see my little switches hangling and dangling. I wrapped the piece. I just got to get some more of those diamond screws. But anyways, now looking at this, it's time to work on my gear, my steering column system. That's looking a little bit rust over there, and I have to choose what kind of shifter knob I want on here. Somebody told me to add a 6-inch extension. I'm not sure if I want my extension to sit up real high. I'm not sure if I want to be putting my arm up like that all the time. Do y'all, if you have an extension on your truck, be honest. Does your arm hurt when you got it up that high? Are you sacrificing the muscles for show? Because I'm not trying to do that. This is going to be a work truck, but check out the vibe, y'all. And I got my pillow this is my normal pillow that I'm going to be laying on. But I can just throw these pillows over here and grab my little pillow. I just threw a pillow in there, y'all. My pillow is way thicker than this. I gotta go get me a new pillow. But this is the whole vibe. I honestly don't even care for the passenger seat that's supposed to go in here. I feel like it is so much more roomy. The only reason I gotta have a passenger seat is because my daughter's gonna be here with me, rolling with me. I just hope she don't mess up the Big Daddy vibes. Where is my TV, y'all? I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put a TV at in this truck. Is it gonna go right here? Or is it going to go somewhere up there? I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this panel piece, y'all. Where am I putting my TV, and what size TV should I get? If y'all know somebody that knows somebody that has a ceiling mount TV in their truck, tell them to connect with me. Like, I'm so interested in that. I'm also thinking about installing something else that's really dramatic in this truck. I'm not gonna tell y'all until I make my final decision, and I just want to show it to y'all. But it's got to do with the music, but I'm gonna show y'all better than I can tell y'all. So this what's going on. All right, I got the doors open. It's hot out here, so it's mosquitoes, but I just wanted to show y'all Big Daddy vibes. I do still have I ordered the carpet for that front area underneath there where y'all see that aluminum, and I still gotta take this chair out, y'all, later and spray the bottom of it. But the reason I haven't sprayed the bottom of it is because honestly I got a feeling that I'm just gonna go and grab 2 legacy seats. I think I'm gonna do that, and then that chair will become part of history in the classic XLs, because I want them to, just imagine when I get my legacy seats, y'all. It's about to be some drip going on in this freaking truck, y'all. This is the most sexiest truck ever. I don't care who got a truck sexier than Big Daddy. Like, who has a Freightliner classic sexier? I didn't say look better, I said sexier than Big Daddy, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all one more view. I'm gonna fix my cover. But who got a truck, a classic interior, that's sexier than Big Daddy? Don't look at the spray cans in the corner. Let me get my sandals and get the heck up out of here. But that's all I wanted to show y'all, my little jungle fever we got going on here. If y'all have any more ideas, I know y'all are, so just drop them below and keep me, because I do be listening to y'all. I be listening to y'all ideas. So just catch his vibe. And that's the end of this video. Peace, love, and deuces.